it's Miss Taimi for another Seashore Storytime, and I'm hoping that Annie is flying around here somewhere. Will you guys help me sing for her? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Where is Annie? Where is Annie? Here she is. Here she is. We're so glad to see you. We're so glad to see you. Wave hello. Wave hello. And Annie is giving everyone a big hello at home. Let's see who she brought with her today. Oh, look how cute. She brought some little friends. Can you guys see this? Can you tell what it is? A bird, right? What color is our bird? It's a red bird. Does anybody know what this bird is called? This is a special bird. This is a cardinal. All right, let's see what else we have. Look at this cute little bird. Can you see that bird? What color is this bird?
Black.
It's a black bird. Yeah, we have a crow too. So I wonder, Annie, are we going to be talking about birds today? We are. And you know what else is fun? What kind of animal is Annie? She's an owl, right? But what owls are? Birds too. Yeah, there's all different kinds of birds. There's small birds, there's large birds. So all birds have feathers, and they all lay eggs. Most of them fly, but not all of them. Some like to swim, right? Think of our penguins, they don't fly. So we're going to do some songs and stories about different types of birds. Now, in my yard, we have heard a lot of birds that pass through and fly around. So we do some bird watching in our house. Sometimes we even use our binoculars. Can you make binoculars with me like this? We're going to do a little bird watching now. And usually we look for birds through our window. So let's make a window. And we're going to see if we can find any birds today. And some of you may know the song Bluebird, Bluebird. And we're going to do that. So here's our window. We've got our binoculars. They look fantastic. All right, let's see if we can have any birds fly in. There's one. What color is it? Blue, right? Okay, get our binoculars out. You ready? Here we go. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Oh, Mommy, I am happy. Let's see if we can find another one. Do you think another one will fly by? Here comes one. What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. All right, get your binoculars out. You ready? Yellow bird, through my window. Yellow bird, through my window. Yellow bird, through my window. Oh, Mommy, I am happy. Let's see if we can find another one. Oh, do you see any? Here comes another. What color?
Pink.
Pink. All right, you ready? Get those binoculars. Here we go. Pink bird, through my window. Pink bird, through my window. Pink bird, through my window. Oh, Mommy, I am happy. Do we have any others? Here comes another. What color is this bird? Orange, right? Okay, get our binoculars out. Here we go. Ready? Orange bird, through my window. Orange bird, through my window. Orange bird, through my window. Oh, Mommy, I am happy. Good job, friends. All right. So we're talking all about birds today, and we can identify birds based on their color and their markings, but we can also tell what type of bird is by their song, by listening to the sound that they make. Today I'm going to read the story, Hello, My Name is Ruby, and this book is written and illustrated by Philip C, stead. Hello, my name is Ruby. Ruby introduced herself. Hello, my name is Ruby. Hello, said the bird standing in the cool water. Today is a very nice day, said Ruby. She looked up at the blue sky. Would you like to come flying? Asked the bird. I am glad to meet you, said Ruby, gliding happily along. Ruby had never flown with a friend before. Hello, my name is Ruby. Would you like to come flying? What is flying? Asked the bird. Flying is how to get to places. Do you think this bird is going to come flying with Ruby? This is how I get to places, said the bird. Can you tell what the bird's doing? He's walking, right? There are so many things to see, said Ruby. And the birds are really hard to see on the page. Can you see them? They're right there on the giraffe's ears. The horns. Hello, little bird. My name is Ruby. Hello, Ruby, said the little bird. Little bird, are you ever afraid because you are small? Yes, said the bird, but sometimes I do not feel small. Would you like to see? Can you see what shape they're making? Ruby introduced herself. Oh, here's another bird. Hello, she said. My name is Ruby. Ruby is meeting a lot of birds. Would you like to be my friend? That's a big bird. No, thank you. Poor Ruby. Ruby sang a song. She sang and sang until the sun came out and her feathers were dry. Along came a curious bird. Ruby tried to be brave. Hello, my name is Ruby. Do you have a name? What is a name? Asked the bird. A name is a sound that is all yours, she said, like this. Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. Can you guys help me make that sound? Ready? Ruby, 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 Ruby. Skip walk, replied the bird. Skip walk, walk, walk. Can you guys make that sound? Ready? Skip walk, skip walk, walk, walk. I am glad to meet you, Skeepwalk, said Ruby. I am glad to meet you too, said Skeepwalk. I have heard your name before. Really? Said Ruby. Really, said Skeepwalk, and then he showed her. Look at all the birds up in that tree. They look like Ruby, don't they? Ruby introduced herself. What does she say? Ready? Help me say it. Hello, my name is Ruby. She's going to make her sound. Here we go. Ruby, Ooby, Ooby, sang the birds. We are glad to meet you. Ruby floated happily above the treetop. I am glad to meet you too, she said. I wonder, would you like to meet my friends? And look at all the different birds that she's made friends with. And do you think all the birds will be friends together? Yeah, I think so too. So, you know, if the song, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. We're going to take that tune, change the words, and today we're going to be birds. Are you ready to be birds? Are you ready to be birds? So the first thing we're going to do, if you're a bird and you know it, flap your wings. If you're a bird and you know it, shake your tail feathers. And if you're a bird and you know it, say tweet, tweet. So get your beak out. Tweet, tweet. Okay? You ready? If you're a bird and you know it, flap your wings. If you're a bird and you know it, flap your wings. If you're a bird and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're a bird and you know it, flap your wings. Alright, shake your tail feathers. If you're a bird and you know it, shake your tail feathers. If you're a bird and you know it, shake your tail feathers. If you're a bird and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're a bird and you know it, shake your tail feathers. Tweet, tweet. If you're a bird and you know it, say tweet, 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 tweet. If you're a bird and you know it, say tweet, 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 tweet. If you're a bird and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're a bird and you know it, say tweet, 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 tweet. Should we try all three? You think we can do all three? You ready? Okay, here we go. If you're a bird and you know it, do all three. Tweet, tweet. If you're a bird and you know it, do all three. Tweet, tweet. If you're a bird and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're a bird and you know it, do all three. Tweet, tweet. Good job. So today we're going to hear the story Fruital, and this book is written and illustrated by Antoinette Portis. And we're going to do a little bit of a hybrid flannel board with the book. So here's the story of Fruital. All year long, the dogs went woof, 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 woof. The cats went meow. And the birds in the neighborhood went caw, coo, chip, peep, coo, chip, peep, caw, chip, coo, caw, peep, caw, peep, coo, chip. Until one day, out of the blue, caw, coo, Little Brown Bird didn't want to sing the same old song. She didn't know what she wanted to say, but it definitely wasn't peep. Something silly, maybe. Fruital Sprudel? Definitely. Crow was not amused. What did you say? Oodle? Uh-oh. Oh, she meant peep. Little Brown Bird say peep. Like doves say coo. So true, we do. So, Little Brown Bird said But 6 minutes later, something else slipped out. Tiffle biffle? Just a little miffle? Stop! You are a little brown bird and you say peep. But she just said miffle. Olive, anyone? Dove liked to keep the peace. But not even snack time stopped the silliness from spreading. Because Cardinal figured out there could be silly red birds, too. Ickle, zickle, pickle, trickle? Stop it! Too late. Now, Dove was wondering if there could be silly white birds. Oobly snoobly? There could. You too, Dove? Try it, Crow. Every everyone knows there is no such thing as a silly black crow. Please come back. You two do something. Lost cause. We'll mind our peeps and coos. But little brown bird knew they wouldn't mind them forever. So she wondered, could crows be silly too? Cloggin' zoggin', itsy boggin'. Fooblick, dooblick, not a crewblick. Sliggy, quiggy, zinker, triggly. Buppy, scruppy, hup, hup. Whoopee! Crows could. Flodden, yachts, fleamish, ots. The neighborhood was never the same. Blur, flisk, ink-ba-dink.